how you can make sales with TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank or any other affiliate network out there. So in this short 5-minute video, I'm going to show behind the scenes how we super affiliates are able to travel all around the world while working 20 to 40 minutes to 30 minutes or 40 minutes per day doing affiliate marketing. As you can see over here, we had over $2,400 and over here yesterday. Now how we did it? As you can see over here on TikTok, right? My personal strategy is to run ads for 1 week. So 7 days, I run ads for example, I don't know, on my level, would be like $200 to $1,000 per day. In other cases, I suggest start with 10 to 20 US dollars per day. Now, next week, I stopped running ads and you can see results. I had 77,000 views on the videos, 1,500 profile views, and 810 comments. Now, why I'm talking about traffic and comments and engagement in 2025, it's very important, my friend. Why? Because no one wants to be sold. Everyone wants to get engagement and they want to buy, right? They love to buy products. You can check. Don't believe me. Tell me when I'm telling you lies. Tell me when I'm lying. Because you can go on Google right now, check e-commerce, TikTok shop, TikTok affiliate marketing, or even TikTok Gary Vaynerchuk, and you will see people making millions in a day in China, in Canada. Yes. So why can't you make at least 300 or 500 US dollars per day profit working 30 minutes per day? It's possible because AI and everything is working right now. So everyone is buying online after COVID, right? You see people are engaging, 800 comments, almost 8,000 likes. It means that people are buying products every single day. Now, before I go into it, you can reach me out on my Instagram over here. You can see I traveled to over 63 countries because of affiliate marketing in Africa, in Morocco, Australia, Italy, all across Europe, right? Asia. So you can see over here, right? All these places, you can reach me out later. If you want to have same results, you want to travel all around the world, take care of your family, helping your kids, your spouses, your parents, your grandparents. I don't know what your goal is, but all this is possible, you see, right? I'm a living proof this is possible. Now, let's go straight into it. You can see over here, if you want to make $100,000 per year profit, you need to make at least $297 per day. And I'm sure maybe in your job you made this money before, maybe at your work, someone else you make money, one sale for $300, it's possible, right? So the key is to do it consistently, sustainable passive income online, right? You can see on my TikTok, right? People are asking, I can confirm this does the wonders for acne scars. And 1,000 people liked. Do you think there is at least 0.1% chance there's going to be only one sale made for $300 or $400 in a day? Of course. On ClickBank, for example, affiliate network, there's acne scar skincare products where you can make 100 to 300 US dollars profit per one sale. So of course it's possible. You can see over here, over the Zoom call, we got it done together. I don't sell courses. I believe in personal one-on-one hand-holding and support. Why? Because in 2025, you need someone who's going to help you one-on-one, hand by hand, show you what works, so you don't waste your time. Right? Maybe you have family, you have a job. I understand that. I know how it feels. It's stressful. You want to wake up in the morning and know exactly what's happening. Okay, so you can see this is possible. Traveling around the world, so many places because of affiliate marketing. Right? So you can see over here, those are the comments. And now all you have to do is you need 20 to 30 minutes per day, every other day. You need laptop or PC computer and at least Wi-Fi connection. Right? Some money to invest in yourself and a little bit of time. Now, you can see, you don't have to show your face. So this is not about showing your face. No one gonna know what's your name, what's your surname, where you live, what you do, who is your family. No, this is not network marketing. This is not direct sales. This is not MLM. So you don't have to promote to your friends and family. No. And you don't have to create any content at all. It's all done for you once we work together one-on-one. Right? Now you can see over here. Those are the results. Now if you want to have these results with affiliate marketing, TikTok or Google Ads, let me know. In the description below, there is my Instagram, WhatsApp number, yes, my personal phone number, Facebook Messenger, and email. You can reach out to me personally one-on-one if you have any questions, right? And we can get it up and running. So let me know.